In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Typeform. This powerful online tool has revolutionized the way we collect information, making it interactive, engaging, and downright fun. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or just trying to engage with your audience in a more dynamic way, understanding how to tailor your Typeforms can significantly enhance your data collection efforts. First off, let's head over to the Typeform homepage. This is where your journey begins. In the digital age, the entry point to most platforms is as simple as a login page, and Typeform follows this straightforward approach. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing and transforming your Typeforms into what you exactly need. Upon clicking login, you're presented with various methods to access your account. One of the most convenient options is to continue with Google. This option allows you to leverage your existing Google account for a smoother, faster sign-in process that bypasses the need to remember yet another password. It's all about making your workflow as seamless as possible. After selecting your preferred method of login and completing the authentication process, take a moment. This is a good time to familiarize yourself with the Typeform interface if you haven't already. You might need to wait a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed and how quickly the site responds. This pause is a small yet important part of the process, ensuring that everything loads properly and you have a smooth experience going forward. Now, to get to the heart of today's tutorial editing your form, you'll want to navigate to your specific form within Typeform. If you've got the link handy, that's great. If not, no worries. You can easily locate your form by browsing through your Typeform dashboard. This is where all your created and shared Typeforms reside. Look for the form you wish to edit and let's dive in. Once you've found your form and are ready to make some edits, look for the Add Element button. This is your toolkit for transformation. Adding elements to your form could be anything from a simple text block, a picture, to more complex structures like question fields, drop-down lists, or even embedded videos. Each element you add is a step closer to creating a form that perfectly suits your needs. Remember, the beauty of Typeform lies in its flexibility and ease of use. As you add elements, think about the flow of your form, visualize how respondents will interact with it. Crafting a coherent, engaging, and user-friendly experience is key. Don't hesitate to play around with different types of questions or formats to see what best captures the essence of what you're trying to achieve. Adding elements isn't just about asking questions, it's about creating a narrative. Each question should lead naturally into the next, guiding your audience through the experience you've crafted for them. This thoughtful approach to form design not only improves the quality of the responses you receive, but also ensures that your audience remains engaged throughout the process. As you edit, remember that each change you make is saved automatically. This autosave feature allows you to experiment and tweak your form without the fear of losing your work. However, I encourage you to preview your form periodically. This gives you a real-time perspective on how your changes impact the user experience, ensuring that everything looks and functions as intended. Lastly, don't forget the power of images and visual elements to enhance your form. A well-placed image or a carefully selected video can break up long stretches of text, inject personality into your form, or even provide useful context for the questions you're asking. The goal here is not just to collect information, but to create an experience that resonates with your audience. To wrap up, editing a form on Typeform is about more than just adding questions. It's about creating a seamless, engaging, and visually appealing experience for your respondents. From the simplicity of logging in with an existing Google account to the creative freedom of adding and arranging elements, Typeform offers a user-friendly platform that empowers you to gather information in a way that's both effective and enjoyable. Remember, the key to a great Typeform is not how much information you can cram into it, but how well you can engage with your audience, and keep your forms concise, interactive, and visually engaging. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating Typeforms that not only gather valuable data, but also delight your audience in the process. Happy editing!